The snoring sound actually occurs when there is some blockage on the way of the air that is coming through the nose or through the mouth. It should not, but the nose. And it's coming inside and it's hitting some floppy tissue on the way. Typically, it's the soft palate. That can become floppy, and so when it goes inside the air, it hits the floppy
It's
tissue
like
and it
just
starts
vibrates.
doing this. So this
And
is
then that's how it is.
the snoring sound, the
So
vibration.
snoring doesn't mean that you have a bad sleep.
So
Can it?
not everyone who snores have sleep apnea,
Yep.
and not everyone who have sleep apnea snores.